Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best power steering fluids that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at rank number 5, we have the Johnson's 4611 Power Steering Fluid. This product comes in a hefty 1-gallon bottle, making it ideal for those who want to stock up for regular maintenance. Johnson's fluid is specifically designed to condition your power steering system, stopping noise and slipping while also protecting seals and preventing unusual wear. In terms of design, the large bottle is practical for workshops or individuals who maintain multiple vehicles. The fluid itself is formulated for universal use, meaning it works across various types of power steering systems. However, its lack of specialized compatibility for specific vehicle brands might be a drawback for those who need a more tailored product. Performance-wise, Johnson's delivers on its promise to quiet down noisy steering systems and improve responsiveness. It's a solid option for older vehicles or those already experiencing minor wear. On the downside, specific technical details about its viscosity and synthetic content are missing, which might make it less appealing to those seeking advanced formulations. If you're looking for an affordable bulk option for general use, Johnson's 4611 Power Steering Fluid is worth considering. At rank number 4, we have the Honda 082069002PE Power Steering Fluid, packaged in a convenient 3-pack. If you own a Honda vehicle, this product is specifically designed for your power steering system. It's an OEM fluid, meaning it's the same high-quality formula used by Honda during manufacturing, ensuring a perfect fit for their models. The bottle design is compact and user-friendly, making it easy to pour without spills. This pack is ideal for Honda owners who want peace of mind by using a fluid that guarantees compatibility and prevents potential damage caused by non-Honda fluids. However, the smaller bottle size, just 0.35 liters per bottle, might not be sufficient for larger-scale maintenance or multiple vehicles. In terms of performance, this fluid excels in maintaining smooth steering and protecting the system from wear and tear. It's particularly effective in preventing foaming and corrosion, ensuring long-term reliability. On the downside, it's not a universal fluid, so it's not suitable for non-Honda vehicles. If you're a Honda owner looking for a reliable, manufacturer-approved option, this is your go-to choice. Coming in at rank number 3 is the Prestone AS269 Power Steering Fluid for Asian vehicles. This synthetic formulation is engineered specifically for brands like Honda, Toyota, Lexus, and other Asian-manufactured vehicles. It comes in a pack of 2 12-ounce bottles, making it a convenient option for topping off your fluid levels. The design and build quality of the bottles are practical, with a slim profile that's easy to store and pour. Its advanced synthetic formula provides excellent oxidative stability, reducing wear and foaming while extending the fluid's lifespan. It's also optimized for extreme temperatures, performing flawlessly in both cold and hot climates. When it comes to performance, Prestone AS269 delivers smooth operation and protects against corrosion, making it a reliable choice for maintaining your steering system's efficiency. However, its smaller bottle size might not be ideal for those needing larger quantities. If you're driving an Asian-manufactured vehicle and want a high-performing, temperature-resistant fluid, Prestone AS269 is an excellent pick. At rank number 2, we have the AC Delco GM Original Equipment 10507-3 Power Steering Fluid. This is a trusted choice for GM vehicles, designed to reduce the effort needed for steering and to ensure long-lasting system protection. With a 32-ounce bottle, it's a good balance between capacity and convenience. The design of the bottle is straightforward and functional, offering easy pouring and compatibility with various GM models. AC Delco's fluid is formulated for extreme cold temperatures, making it an excellent option for drivers in colder climates. Its ability to keep the system running quietly and efficiently is a major selling point. Performance-wise, AC Delco lives up to its reputation, providing reliable hydraulic power transfer and protecting the system from wear. However, It's not a universal fluid, so non-GM vehicle owners might need to look elsewhere. If you drive a GM vehicle and want a high-quality fluid that handles tough weather conditions, this is a fantastic choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.